Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I shared with you some beautiful crochet flower basket designs model. A crochet flower basket is a handmade creation where someone uses crochet techniques to craft a basket adorned with crocheted flowers. It is a decorative and often functional item that combines the art of crochet with the practicality of a basket, making it a charming addition to home decor or a thoughtful handmade gift. Here are some tips for crochet flower baskets. First, select your yarn. Choose a yarn that complements the overall design. Consider using different colors for the basket and flowers to add visual interest. Crochet stitch choice. Opt for a sturdy stitch for the basket to ensure it can hold its shapes. Common stitches include single crochet or half double crochet. Experiment with different flower stitches for variety. Basket base. Start with a solid base for your basket. You can crochet a flat circle or a square, depending on your preference. This forms the foundation for the basket. Basket sides. Build the sides of the basket using your chosen stitch. Adjust the height based on how deep you want the basket. You can experiment with stitch patterns or color changes for added flair. Handles. If you want handles for your flower basket, plan their placement before reaching the final height. Crochet sturdy straps using your chosen stitch. Flower design. Research or create simple crochet flower patterns. Make a variety of flowers to attach to the basket. Consider using different sizes and colors to create a vibrant and textured look. Attachment. Sew or crochet the flowers onto the basket securely. Ensure they are evenly disturbed for the balanced appearance. Blocking. If needed, block your finished page to shape it properly. This involves wetting the item and shaping it before allowing it to dry. Finishing touches. Weave in any loose ends neatly to give your crochet flower basket a polished look. Take your time to ensure a clean and professional finish. Personalize. Get creative and add personal touches. You can incorporate beads, buttons, or other embellishments to make your flower basket unique. Remember to enjoy the process and don't hesitate to experiment with colors and patterns to make your crochet flower basket truly your own. Crochet is a versatile and personal craft, so feel free to let your creativity shine as you bring your flower basket to life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.